All right, everybody, welcome back. I hope you're ready for another math question because we're looking at question number 6 now. If x plus 6y is 12, the value of 7x plus 42y is... okay. So, usually, this would cause a bit of a problem. Why is that? Because we're given one equation, like one actual equation, x plus 6y equals 17, but two unknowns. Okay? And if we had one equation and one unknown, we could reasonably solve for that unknown. Okay? I think there was a question 3 or 4 actually had x plus 1 minus 2 and so forth. One equation, we could solve for that x. Okay? And if you have two equations and two unknowns, in general, you'll probably be able to solve for your unknowns. But if you have less equations than unknowns, there just isn't enough data there to isolate and solve both things. So I'm a bit suspicious here. This is probably going to be a bit of a trick. Okay? So what do I know? I know x plus 6y is 17. And what do I want to know? I want to know 7x plus 42y is equal to what? So there has to be sort of some way to manipulate our first equation to give us the answer to our second equation, because if you'll notice, there isn't a can't compute answer. Okay? So what can we do? Well, how can we get from this equation down to this one? If I take a look at the x values, because they're quite low, I notice that I sort of have a 1 here. I have 1x, and then suddenly I have 7 x's. And then that gets me thinking, I got 6 y's here, and then I get 42 y's. How do I get 42 from 6? By multiplying by 7. So really, we have sort of 7x plus 42y is just 7 times x plus 6y. But I know that that is 17. So 7 times 17, we'll have 49 plus 70. It's going to be 119. Of course, if you need to, grab your calculator. But 119, is that one of the possible answers? It is. It's E. So we would bubble in E. Okay. So join me for more of the 2004 Cayley in the next video. I'll see you guys then.